Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. Kitchen Vocabulary Part 1. This is rolling pin. This is known as rolling board. Cutting or chopping board. This is whisk. Spatula. Cooktop. Tongs. This is known as fork. Colander. This is ladle. Strainer. This is skimmer. This is grater. Peeler. Chopsticks. Frying pan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.